Does rain ruin your travel plans too? Then I think you need to give it a second thought because we experienced the most amazing rainy day adventure. The Periyar Tiger Reserve in Thekri looks so green and lively when you visit it during the monsoon time. The rains are always an added bonus. Just take a jeep safari. Cost would be around 2000 to 2200 and you need 3 to 4 hours to explore the forest completely. Trek in the forest, have hot and delicious Maggie, dance in the rain or just roam around looking at the evergreen beauty of nature. And if you're lucky, you might spot some animals too. But trust me, visiting Thekri in Kerala during the monsoon time will give you an experience of a lifetime.